Everyone has habits, both good and bad. These are behaviors you undertake every day automatically. Successful people intentionally create successful habits that enable them to achieve their desired outcomes. They invest their time in creating successful, productive habits because they understand productive habits will help them reach their goal. Now, creating new habits is not easy. You must make an intentional effort to change your habits. Generally, it takes 21 days for the new behavior or habit to be assimilated into your daily routine. I'm in the process of creating a workshop on how to identify and replace habits that are holding you back from achieving your goals and living your life according to your vision for your life. So, what are the habits successful people tend to adopt and follow? There are 5 identifiable habits that successful people generally follow. Here are the 5 key habits they follow to stay on track and to gain and maintain success in achieving their goals. Habit number 1, positive mindset. Having a positive mindset can be learned. It requires mental programming. That means changing your thinking patterns. And there are various ways to create a positive mindset, including using positive affirmations, visualization, and self talk. Now, sometimes you'll need a coach to guide you through this process of replacing old, unproductive habits with new, productive habits. One of the most crucial factors in succeeding in anything is to believe that you can. My clients have found that changing their self talk and using affirmations, practicing visualizations to be a very positive way of creating the outcomes they're looking for. Habit number 2, exercise and healthy eating. Taking care of your body through exercise, diet, and good sleep routines is another crucial component. Research has shown taking care of your body, you are preventing ill health from causing you problems on your way to achieving your goals. Key habit number 3, prioritization. Successful people plan and they prioritize. They decide what are the essential elements or tasks they need to complete each day, and then they act on those tasks first thing. Habit number 4, goal setting. Identifying the end goal and creating a plan is another essential habit. Without a goal, you'll not know what you are aiming for. Successful people know what success means to them and they plan how to achieve it. Habit number 5, lifelong learning. Whether it's reading, taking a course, or listening to audio recordings, successful people understand that knowledge is power and is a crucial aspect of helping them to achieve their goals. They stay up to date on relevant industry information, new trends, and innovations. This is a habit they have built into their daily routine. These are just 5 of the key habits of successful people. By adopting these success habits into your daily routine, you'll be creating a stronger, healthier, and more successful version of you. If you would like more information on how you can change your habits so that you can shorten the time to achieving your goals and living your life according to your vision for your life, feel free to contact me. My contact information is in the text.